welcome back to my channel. Well, I hope you guys are doing great too. So finally, after a long gap, I'm making a vlog again, and today we are traveling to a beautiful place called Shallang. It can be called as Chinma-Dare also. Okay guys, so you watch the video till end, do not skip the video, okay? Stay tuned. So guys, now we are on the way. आप लोग देख सकते हो यहाँ पर मतलब पुलिस चेकिंग चल रही है. Hey, nutrition. Guys, finally we are in July now. We are on the way. It's the place called Damra. Nutrition. Yeah, this weather is not so good. I know that. Now we are going to buy chips, ice creams, and water. ले लिया क्या? Yes, this.
That's what again. There.
Yes. So guys, हम लोग ने ये सब ले लिया. आप लोग देख सकते हो.
ये मम्मी खाएगा.
हाँ, हम ये खाएंगे. Nutrition, कुछ बोलो. What are you gonna do there? Yeah.
I'm gonna make reels there.
Only reels?
Yeah.
Oh, only reels?
What are you doing here?
Waiting for your friends.
Wow, मम्मी ये सब तू खाएगा?
Smile.
ये सब तू खाएगा?
Yes.
ये सब तू खाएगा?
हाँ. So guys, finally we have reached Chinma-Dare. मेरा और दीदी का हालत ख़राब हो गया, लोग बता नहीं सकते. All the roads was turning. Both have vomited already, guys. Can't say how was the experience. My goodness, I have no energy anymore. Whatever I ate in the morning, all gone. Nutrition कुछ बोलो.
I'm not unwell. I have vomited 3 times.
Me 2 times.
So I'm feeling weak now. I
Let's
can't
see
even walk properly.
what happened. Wow, the water sounds. See the stones. Oh my god. Love the place, yeah. My goodness, what an awesome place. Oof. आप लोग देख सकते हो इतना अच्छा प्लेस है. वाओ. Fresh wind. Nutrition पूरा पागल हो चुकी है. Yeah. Do you want to bath there?
Hey, I don't wanna.
Why?
I'm scared.
Why?
I'm scared.
Guys, अभी हम नीचे जा रही है. Finally, we will reach to our main destination, guys. Suffering. Nutrition, how do you feel?
Yes, I'm going.
Are you excited?
person.
Only?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Because I have no energy anymore.
Yeah, that's true. Oh god. See that water falling. Wow. Oh my goodness. Guys, see the view. Oh my god, it's like बता नहीं सकती. I see that rainbow. Wow. Oh my god.
It will disappear.
Yeah, leather is disappearing. See?
Already disappear.
Yeah. अभी हम नीचे जा रहे, ठीक है? आपको दिखाएंगे हम, मतलब इतना हवा आ रही है. नीचे जा रही हो क्या? गिर जाओगी. You wanna click photo? Okay, go there, go there. मैं अभी रेस कर रही हूँ. मेरा सिस्टर का फ्रेंड वहाँ पर है. They are enjoying. I cannot enjoy anymore because मेरा तबीयत भी अच्छा नहीं है. Nutrition. I'm feeling very cool here. The winds are coming. My goodness. Hey. What are you doing? मत करो इसे, मत करो.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Give me. Alana ठीक ना?
नीचे जाओ, इतना अच्छा व्यू है, जाओ वापस. Guys, we will go home now. Hey, nutrition. Just follow.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Really? So, means it's already 2:34 and we have to reach home early. Come faster! Let's go! Come faster! Trishan, don't you feel tired? My goodness, I don't have energy to work anymore. Oof. Finally, now we are going back home. So let's say goodbye to Chinma-Dare. I will not come back here anymore because guys, ये पानी है और ये न्यूट्रिशन है और यहाँ पर पार्टी चल रही है. पार्टी पार्टी. Nutrition. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling tired. गिर गया. So guys, अभी हम डमरा रोड में हैं. हम कुछ खाएंगे यहाँ पर, उसके बाद घर जाएंगे. इतना भूख लग रही है. यहाँ पर क्या? Finally guys, we are going back home now, and if you guys like this video, please like, share, and what should do that last one?
So of you do like, share and subscribe.
Say louder.
Do like, share and subscribe.